guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to remove the background on your pictures. So let's go to our Google, search the background remover, or just type the BG. You can go to the background remover, remove BG here, and then you press the upload image, and then upload image, and then you press the browse, and then you can choose from here, guys. But if the pictures you wanted to remove the background is not here, so you can go to your photos, just press the three line upper left side, and then you go to your photos, and then you choose which album you want to take the picture. So just example, I want to take from a messenger album, and then I want to choose this picture. So let's just wait, the background will remove. Charan! So this is, guys, the background is not there anymore. So you remove the background, guys, you choose the picture, it's clear picture, guys. So the picture will be nice, the outcome will be nice. So you choose the clear one, okay? And then after that, you can download it. After you download, so add remove PG, remove image backgrounds automatically to home screen. So after you download, the picture will be saved already. And then if you want to change, if you want to edit, if sometimes still the background still have, if not really nice, sometimes you remove, still have something around the picture, so you can erase it. You just press the edit, and then you press the erase, erase, and then you press the erase, or you can restore also can. You just press out there, restore, like that, restore, then you press the erase is like this, so erase like that, so it's already clear. So after that, you can save it. But now I'm gonna show you guys, you can change the background of your picture also as you wish. So oops, ta-da! So the background is already removed, and then I want to edit, change the background. So how to change the background, just press the edit, and then you choose the background from here. You want this one, where are you? Okay, or you want this background, why cannot change, okay. So it's up to you, guys. You can change what kind of background you want, either view or just color also can. And after you change, you just save the picture, just example lang naman, and then press the download image, and then it's already saved, guys. The outcome, let's see the outcome here. Taran! Ang laki ng mukha ko, besh. So it's here, guys. Look at my face, it's very big face. And that's all. Thank you.